said. But his health has enraptured us all and turned to youth, my heart and my desire. For from a good root, a good tree has sprung, and the fruit is dear and good and sweet and flavorful. And I turn loving toward ladies and chosen, so that it annoys husbands of whom I am more feared than fire or sharp iron. For I take whomever I want, no one defends them from me. That I have suffered long. Youth is badly governed, and worth I hold as betrayed through the fault of barons. For we see the low-born rich and proud, and the courteous scorned, and treacherous ladies, where all good is lost, reign against us lovers too basely, with double deceit. Our beautiful, gently built body, complete with all good qualities. Lady, thus I give myself to you, humble and willing and distressed and eager, like one who is wounded by love in the heart, which tells me to surrender to you conquered. Therefore, if you do not help me, you will have killed choice, and it will not look good to you. Degenerate king, a good kingdom is destroyed when he laments his expenses and weeps for others' gifts, and flees the solace of the worthy. And a king, since he lives shamed, is worth less than buried. But I am held dear by the best and believed by the courteous people. For I do not lie against love. Therefore I am nobly armed against the weak, cowering ones. For Aragon is with me, and Castile and Leon, and the worthy King Anfos holds the fortified castles, where worth is nobly served and honored and beloved. Therefore of the beaten down, weak misers, heart of hound, I have little thought. For as the lion is bold, more than the goat, and the bear than the horned ox, and the wolf than the bearded the cowards.